Hello guys, it's Ellie the Empress. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. So today is a very special day for us. I am going to be showing you guys my streaming room. It took me about a week to get this room set up. Well, it actually took more than a week because I did have to wait for my PC to come in, but I'm super excited to show it to you guys. And I have to mention that I set this room up all by myself with the help of a few YouTube videos as well. I had no idea what I was doing while setting this room up. I followed a lot of YouTube videos, instructions step by step. So I'm going to show you guys what I've set up for myself. And this is basically me setting this up for Twitch. I don't know if you guys have seen my past few videos, but I've been doing a lot of Twitch streaming lately. I am now a Twitch affiliate. I am hoping to reach Twitch partner soon. So I did a mini video before, but this is the full on video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys about my room that I love so much is my Dossier scent room diffuser here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this before I get started. This is the Ambery Cherry scent. Now I've showed you guys Dossier scents before, but I never showed it to you in this form. This is technically for the home. It's not perfume. This scent literally smells so good. It basically sets the mood inside of my streaming room. So when I come inside, it smells really pleasant. I really love being in here with the room smelling so great. It makes me want to stay even longer. So if you don't know much about Dossier, they are basically a perfume brand, but they've also started selling candles as well as room diffusers. So I have a room diffuser, I have the candles. Everything that I've received from Dossier, the scent is long lasting, it smells really good. I've gotten a lot of compliments as far as my candles when my friends come over, and my room diffuser is new, so I'm excited to see how they react to the scent of this. And if room diffusers or candles aren't your thing, I would say check out the website. They have perfume scents for women, cologne for men. They also have unisex scents as well. So don't be afraid to try Dossier scents. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. Also, the holidays are coming up, so keep them in mind. Another great thing about Dossier is that you can send the items back if you do not like them. Usually the perfume scents comes with a little tester bottle. You can test out the perfume, and if you don't like it, you can send it back, no problems. The returns page is super easy. So that's my little spiel for Dossier. So let me show you guys the rest of my room. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you guys can get a better view. So let's get started. All right, so I'm taking you guys right in, and before I created this little clothing rack with you guys on a live stream, the clothing rack is finished, and as you see, it's pretty filled. It's pretty full because yeah, it was pretty small when I built it, but it fits perfectly. This is where I put my clothing items that I'm getting ready to stream in. I'm gonna be streaming in this cute outfit soon. I'm also gonna be wearing a couple of swimsuits and other outfits here. Let's keep going. Over here on this wall is the Stranger Things poster, a couple of more outfits that I plan on wearing for the month of October. This is where I keep all of my swimsuits, well, most of my swimsuits. This does not include lingerie. Now, as you guys see, I have a lot of swimsuits here, so I'll be doing a lot of hot tub streaming, so I have a lot of clothing options to wear. I think on these racks, there are about 7 swimsuits for each rack, and I have about, let's see, about 20 of those, so count how many swimsuits that is. I have a bunch. So yes, I turn around. This is how I come inside every day. And that was actually my tripod stand. It doesn't usually stay there, but this is my chair that I got from Amazon. I'm actually gonna put stuff like this on my Amazon storefront so you guys can see exactly what it is if you want to purchase. I literally got everything from Amazon, from my headphones to my speakers that I do not use. Now my PC actually came from, I think it's called RGB Custom PC. So you should check out RGB Custom PC to get this beautiful pink PC like I did. I'm so happy that I got it because it matches my tabletop that I have. I also got the mouse, the keyboard, And I want to thank one of my followers for getting me this hand rest. Thank you so much. He also got me this wireless controller from my wish list. So I thank you so much for that. I'm going to see how to use it. I've been getting things set up, so I don't know how to use everything yet. I have the lights here. As you guys see, my Shein. I have Shein up right now because I was buying some swimsuits. My other screen. This is my microphone here. And this little corner here, I set up this little corner, but I don't have much in here. I was planning on putting headbands over here on this side, but I don't have many headbands. And I plan on putting these behind me for the rest of this month to decorate a little bit for Halloween. And this drawer is where I keep my pasties, because I use pasties to put underneath my outfit just so I won't have any type of malfunction slips, any type of slips. So if you guys think that I have flashed you a little bit, sometimes I wear black pasties, sometimes brown. So yes, no wardrobe malfunctions on Twitch. I cannot risk it. My backdrop behind me, my name, Ellie the Empress. I set up this flower wall here. You guys got to watch me set this up on Twitch. And yeah, that's about it. Guys, tell me what you think about my stream room. As soon as I cut this video off, my rug arrived here. So I feel like this cute pink money rug is a great addition to my stream room. I just had to show you guys this rug. It literally came the same day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I set up all of this on my own. If you have any tips, suggestions, please put them in the comments below, because I'm still a newbie here. I'm still learning everything. Another thing that I didn't discuss, a lot of people like to ask what I'm doing on Twitch. I am doing a mix of everything. I plan on streaming in my hot tub, which is why I have this outfit on now. I'm going to be streaming in my hot tub in a bit, so I wanted to film this video before I headed there. So I'm going to be doing some hot tub streaming. I'm also going to be playing some video games. That's why I have this whole PC set up. The type of games that I'm going to play, I think I'm going to do a mixture of games. I'm really even new to gaming. Like, I don't even know how to game. I was playing Friday the 13th and I died a lot. And I was playing in the offline mode, so I really don't know how to play video games. And when I feel like it's safe, I may stream a little bit in real life. It just depends on where I'm at. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I have. If you want to see more from Dossier, I'm going to put the link in my description box below. So please check out Dossier. If you want to see where I got all of my streaming items, I also have another link for that. If you want to see more from me, I'm also going to put my link in the description box below. It has my Linktree link. It has all of my links there. I am literally everywhere on the internet now. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, everywhere. So I have my link there, so please follow me on those. So please follow and support. And like always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.